Hi everyone, today's video is about Christmas crimped hair. Now I love this look for Christmas. I think it's just so festive. I think with a nice jumper, like this hair just looks so cute. So what I'm going to use today, I haven't done anything with hair, it's all up. My hair is all up just now, just in a bun. All I've got in my hair just now, Fushi Really Good Hair Oil for heat protectant, the Kerastase Ultimate Elixir. That's really good. I've just got that a little bit. If you want to use straighteners for this, I'm using my FHI straighteners and they are pink, which is beautiful. And you want to use straighteners that have got a barrel, they're rounded, the tips. Your hair, you need to section it, so you need some duckbill clips, brush. Let's get started. Protective glove. Ow! And section just a bit of your hair, that's enough. Comb it through. Just a little bit. Take your straighteners, make sure they're nice and hot. Now first of all, because this hair is curly, this deep wave weave is curly, I'm straightening it. Then you want to go right to the roots and begin that motion. So up, down, up, down. It is like a motorbike, the handles. Imagine if you're on a bike or a motorbike and you're doing that motion with the handles. That is what you're going for here. And gliding down at the same time. So take your time, especially if you've got quite long hair. Obviously, the longer you take your time with it, the more it's going to last you. So you can already see the crimps in the hair there. And that's one. Start at the tips when you're brushing. Make sure you're getting all those tangles out. Straighten first of all. These are FHI straighteners, like I say. Now if you have got straight hair, you probably won't need to straighten it. This is because this is deep wave. So this is one side done, okay? You probably noticed I've done this front bit as well, that crinkled look there, you can see it very well. Now I'm just going to start on this front wee bit and then that'll be done.